Right, let's now add doors to our floor plan. So let's start with this bedroom over here. So for this bedroom over here, we're going to create a door. And the first thing you wanted to do is find a corner where to put the door. Okay, usually it's on a corner. And we're going to create a line. Okay, I'm in layer 0 right now, so the line is white. And then we wanted to offset that line 4 inches from the corner. Okay, it could also be 2 inches or 3 inches, but 4 inches should be standard. And then you're going to offset again with the door width. And according to this document here, the recommended door sizes for bedrooms, the height is 7 feet, so we're not going to worry about that one. It's the width that we're going to need to worry about. So we have to decide how wide the bedrooms are going to be. It's typically 34 inches, but you can make it as wide as 36. Okay, so let's use 34. So we're going to do offset by 34. So select this and offset here. And then we can see now that there's something blocking its way, and it's this counter. So you can take this opportunity right now to reduce this this counter. So we can do a stretch and then simply make a crossing box, press enter, and then move that stove a little bit here so that you can also move this edge over here. Okay, and then you can just trim all the lines that you don't need. Okay, so this is the door opening. This is how wide it is. So we are now ready to simply trim. So we're going to go get our trim or type trim, and simply we're going to trim this and that, this one and that. We don't need this anymore, so we can simply erase that, and then we're just going to match properties with this one and the whole thing. So that's our door opening. Now, to put a door, we know that the measurement of this one, if you measure this, is going to be 34. So from here to there is 2 foot 10, which is 34. So 24 plus 10, okay, is 34. So what we need to do is we need to make a rectangle, okay, and that rectangle is going to be 34 inches long, press tab, by 2 inches tall, press enter. So this is our door, and we simply have to move that, enter, from one corner to the other. Okay, and then next we have to make an arc. So we're going to get an arc, and we're going to use an arc that defines the center, the start center, and start center and angle. There you go, start center angle. Okay, so we're going to click the start, and then it will say the center, which is here, and then the angle is going to be 90 degrees. So we're going to type in 90 and then press enter, and there you have it. If the arc goes the other way, okay, if it goes here, then you have to type in a negative angle. So that's a symbol for our door. Okay, and all we have to do is make sure that we have a layer called doors, and the color of the doors is usually green. Okay, close that, and simply select the arc and the rectangle, and make sure that you put that on the correct layer, doors. Okay, so that's how to put a door on a bedroom.